Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of MgCl2. It's a chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Now, unlike other molecules and compounds, this molecule is an ionic compound. These compounds are made up of metals and non-metals, and as the nature of bond formed between these two moieties is ionic, these are known as ionic compounds. In ionic bond, metal donates its electron to a non-metal and gains a positive charge, and on the other hand, non-metals gains a negative charge by accepting electrons. So in this case, our non-metal is chlorine that has 7 valence electron in its outermost shell, and each chlorine atom will gain 1 electron from magnesium. This way, magnesium will donate 1 electron to each chlorine atom and will gain a plus 2 charge, and each chlorine atom will gain a minus 1 charge and complete its octet by accepting it. So this is the Lewis dot structure of MgCl2. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.